This is N. Venkat Kishore, Department of Mechanical Engineering, DBH Institute of Technology, Kavali.
Then next topic is the minimum number of teeth on the pinion in order to avoid the interference. The avoiding of interference is not only in the pinion and in wheels also there is an interference will be occur. So the addendum circles of these two mating gears must cut the common tangent to the base circles between the points of tangency. The condition for the addendum circle of pinion and the wheel which passes through the points of N and M, as we discussed in the earlier figure also. That is, these are the tangents that we have drawn over the base circle of wheel and base circle of pinion. These let us consider number of teeth on the pinion, small t, capital T with the number of teeth on the wheels also. Module M, pitch circle, radius. These are the formula we are already learnt and substituted in the previous problems also. By the extension of the previous method, it is to be the triangle O1NP, that is O1 square, that is the value we are finding here. Then the limiting radius of pinion in the addendum circle, which is O1N, that we get it in the formula as mt by 2 into root of 1 plus t by t into t by t plus 2 into sine square pi. Then we know the addendum circles of pinion is O1N minus O1P. O1P is a pitch circle radius, that is of pinion, that is small r is the mt by 2. By substituting these, we get the minimum number of teeth that is to be required on the pinion in order to avoid the interference. If the pinion and the wheel are equal number of teeth, then G, that is gear ratio, is 1. Then the above equation will reduces to like this. The number of minimum number of teeth on the pinion will measures with the wheel or rack without interference. These are the minimum number of teeth is to be find out here. System of gear teeth, that is 14 point of composite. The minimum number of teeth is to be maintained on pinion is 12. Okay, this is the from by default researchers, they find out the minimum number of teeth. So whenever the problem, they will ask the concept of gear teeth minimum on the pinion. For conditions like this, we have to substitute the values as 14. Okay, in the same way, minimum number of teeth on the wheel in order to avoid the interference. So if we already learnt about the minimum number of teeth on the pinion, in the same way wheels also the same method of approach is to be applied here. That is, there small t be the minimum number of teeth. Here on the wheel, capital T is the minimum number of teeth. Then addendum wheel, the both are same, but the radius of addendum circle, there it is a small r or small ra, here it is a capital RE. Like that, we find out the wheel addendum and the formula for minimum number of teeth, that is capital T on the wheel.